have the alphabet. The alphabet is made up of letters. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Some of the letters are called consonants, and some of the letters are called vowels. All of the letters have names, and all of the letters have sounds. Letters are very important. We use letters to make up words, and we use words to make sentences. Today we're going to celebrate the letter H. The letter H is a consonant. Let's see where the letter H is in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The letter H is right after the letter G, and it's before the letter I. Let's take a closer look at the letter H. Here we have the letter H. That's the name of this letter. And the letter H has a capital H or uppercase and a lowercase h. Now the capital H is a tall letter. It starts at the top line. And the lowercase h is a tall letter. It also goes to the top line. The name of this letter is H. Here's the sign language for the letter H. To make the letter H with sign language, you just get two fingers together, turn to the side, and see how your other two fingers are down, and you close it with your thumb and turn it this way. And this is the sign language for the letter H. Do it with me. Put your two fingers together. These two fingers touch your palm. Close your thumb. Turn it around. That's the sign language for the letter H. Now we're going to learn the sound of the letter H. Let me show you my sound card. Here's my sound card that's going to help you to remember the sound that letter H makes. Do you see this girl running? And she's breathing heavy. That's what we do when we run. Listen to my poem. Running hard, running fast, running race, running last. That's the sound that the letter H makes. Do it with me. Just like in the beginning of the word hat. 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 Do you hear the sound of the letter H? Now we're going to stretch out the names of these objects and listen to the beginning sound. All of these objects begin with the sound of H. Let's take a look. First we have house. Say it with me. House. Stretch out your arm and listen to the beginning sound. House. House. Do you hear the at the beginning of house? Let's try this one. Hat. Stretch out your arm. Say hat. Now stretch it out and listen to the beginning sound. Hat. Hat. Do you hear the at the beginning of hat? Now let's try helmet. Say it with me. Helmet. Stretch it out and let's listen to the beginning sound. Helmet. Do it with me. Helmet. Do you hear the at the beginning of the word helmet? How about horse. Stretch out your arm. Horse. Horse. Do it with me. Horse. Do you hear the beginning? The letter H sound in horse? How about heart? Say heart. Now stretch it out. Heart. Do it with me. Heart. Do you hear the at the beginning of heart? One more. Hanger. Say hanger. Now let's stretch it out. Hanger. Hanger. Do it with me. Hanger. Do you hear the at the beginning of hanger? Nice work listening to the beginning sound of letter H. Now we're going to practice writing the letter H. Remember, the letter H has a capital and a lowercase, and they're both tall letters. Get your magic finger and trace it in the air. Ready? Top, down, across the middle. Do it with me. Top, down, across the middle. That's the capital H. Now let's try the lowercase h. Start at the top line as well. Top, down, up, and hump. Say it with me. Top, down, up, and hump. Now let's try writing it on the board. You can write it in the air with your magic finger as I write it on the board. All right, remember the capital H is a tall letter, so I'm going to start at the top line. Top, straight down. Top, straight down, and across the middle. And there's my capital H. Use your magic finger. Top, down, across the middle. Now let's try the lowercase h. We're going to start at the top line as well. Top, down, up, and hump. Do it with me. Top, down, up, and hump. And that's the lowercase h. Capital H and lowercase h. Now you get your pencil and see how many capital H's and lowercase h's you can write.